In this video, I'll show you the settings where you can change the color of the copyright text in the footer section of Shopify Horizon theme. As you can see in my store, the copyright text is gray, so for this example, I changed it to red. At first, log into Shopify admin account. Once you're in the Shopify dashboard, on the left side of the screen, under Sales Channels, click on the online store. Now look for your current theme, my case Horizon, and then select Add a Theme. Once the editor loads, at top left corner, make sure the Sections tab is selected. On the left side of the screen, under Footer, expand Utilities, and then select Copyright Block. On the right side of the screen, under Copyright Settings, look for Appearance, and then select Text Color. For this example, let me select red color, and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, allow a few minutes for them to update, then go back to your home page and try refreshing it. Okay, let's scroll all the way down. As you can see, the copyright text is now red color. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. If more Shopify tutorials, please come on my channel. Thank you.